Distinguished mourners who are here, good afternoon. Your Excellency, I will be very brief. And before I make a few remarks, let me first introduce my colleagues who are here. We have various government officials. Let me start with Honorable Florence Bore. She's the CS in charge of Labor and Social Services. We have also PSS who are here. I'll start with the son of this county and a family member. You can see he's sitting with the family, Your Excellency. Honorable Chris Kiptum, Dr. Chris Kiptum, PS Treasury, is a member of the family, and also he comes from this constituency and this county. PS, I was not to introduce PS Tum, but on behalf of my friend Namwamba, I'll introduce the PS of Sports, PS Tum, who has worked closely with Kiptum and the team. We have also, PS Hari Mutai, the PS of Health, is also here, Your Excellency. We also have former members of parliament. They just wanted to be recognized here. We have Honorable Kiptanui, we have Honorable Langat, we have Honorable Kamlesh, Daniel Rono. You know what happened. You know what to do, Your Excellency. And we know, and we also have Honorable Langat, who is here. There are many other senior government officials here. There are MCAs of the area. Wako hapa simameni. Nimeambiwa niwasimamishe. Asanteni sana. Mheshimiwa MCA wa area hii wa ward ya Kiptum ni Leng, na also MCA wa hii area Koima ambaye ni Hasla, alikuwa conductor wa matatu. Asante sana, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, kwanza nataka kusema kwamba mimi nilihusunika sana kwa kumpoteza mkimbiaji ambaye alikuwa mtu wa kutegemewa kwa dunia mzima. Bwana Kiptum alipofariki, hatukumpoteza kwa Elgeyo Marakwet peke yake, but in the whole world. Ungeangalia habari za dunia, ungeona kwamba CNN, BBC, all channels in the world were covering his death because, Your Excellency, this man, this very man, who perhaps had the little education, who perhaps, Your Excellency, started running just a few years ago. He was walking on foot. A man who perhaps would never have been recognized by anybody because of his hard work and talent, became a conqueror of the world. Your Excellency, I love athletics, perhaps because I went to St. Patrick's High School, where my desk mates were world beaters, gold medal medalists when we were in class. But I've become a fan of athletics. I watched Kiptum running Chicago Marathon live and breaking that record. Your Excellency, these athletes, including Kiptum, have made a difference through sports. And sometimes we have over-glorified class education, Your Excellency, to the extent that we deny these athletes opportunities to serve in government just because of lack of a paper. Your Excellency, under CBC program, we need to change our mindset. We should not force everybody to have a particular certificate. Their running exploits must count for something and must be rewarded to be a certificate. And Your Excellency, there is no problem if we can absorb these world athletes once they win their medals in the world. There's no problem to take them to government parastatals to become brand ambassadors and get them a job, Your Excellency. These strictures, hii vitu tunaweka kwa sheria kusema lazima ukue umemaliza form 4, ukue na second upper degree, ukue na masters, Your Excellency. Under CPC program, I want to request you, we find a way of accommodating everybody who breaks a world record, becomes mandatory in our government to absorb them in some place in government to serve, to become brand ambassadors of these institutions, Your Excellency. To finish, Your Excellency, I want to say this. We support your government in everything that has been requested.